podcast about how to add a search keyword to your existing campaign. And this usually happens when clients want a new search keyword, you need to re-optimize and you need to add a new search keyword, man. Um, so far, this is what you do. First of all, you come to keywords and content. And you go into search keywords. And from there, as I said in my previous videos, these are the ones that I'm working on to get on. Simple things that you can actually do. For an example, if you want to remove this one that we showed 5 minutes ago, I'm working on them. Now, leaving it as a broad match. While the portfolio liquidity, one of them is just finding synonyms, which is the sixth way. I'm going to be making a video on that very soon. But the focus today right. So, for example, this one here, it's still not eligible. So what we can do is we can find a synonym to this. This requires a lot of in-depth work. I'll show my process on how I actually do it. I did with the one yesterday over here. I did with one yesterday. Anyways, before I get ahead of myself, let's come here. We come to keywords. And then we come to keyword you select the group. Right? And once you select the group, well, these are all paused. As you can see here, search my ad campaign. The one that we want to work on is this one, new ads campaign. You choose your ad campaign, and there is your ad group. Then you come over here, right? Okay. Here they say, for example, keyword by relevance, right? Mortgage advisor nearly. That is definitely one to use because that's one of the things that they would most certainly search for. But well, I have actually forgot now. Okay, there it is. Mortgage. Since it's related to mortgage, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this one here. So it's very simple. This is a broad match. This is a broad match. And if I want a phase match, what does that do? Do this. And it's frequency actually it's already exact match. I'll have to do actually for this. And now it's an exact match. For phrase match, another broad one. So what I'll do with that now is one, so that is done. They say to change to go here. Here's something. Your campaign is using smart to use broad match to convert or better internal interest. When you see this, you're like, let me just go for broad match. No. This is a trick that Google uses so that they can make money off you. Let's save it. And that's it. That's about it. There we go. Mortgage, user opinion and review. This is definitely a good one. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Again, if this is helping you, we post daily on various topics in digital marketing. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic Sunday.